Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 2nd chapter polynomials and factorization. Today we will learn the exercise 2.4 remaining problems. Are you understood of the previous class? 1 to 2 problems it's over. First bit and second bit is over. All problems and solutions it's over. Are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Yeah, today we will learn the remaining problems 3 to 10. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, same Telangana State Book, page number 48. First, I will read the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better. I will read it only. So that x minus 2, comma x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. This question is given. First, explaining this what is given, what is asked only. P of x is give. One polynomial is give. And next factors is give. 3 factors is give. These 3 factors is satisfied or not? This one, this polynomial p of x is okay. Show that only. So that of these all are the factors or not. Factors of p of x or not only. Show that only. First, given data, how to write it in our given problem. P of x given equal p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. To find, show that x minus 2, comma x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of p of x. Show that it. Let the solution for this problem. Let p of x equal x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. A 1 by 1 factor. Is it a factor of p of x or not? 1 by 1. If x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, then we have p of 2 equal to x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal, what's the x value? X equal 2. So p of 2 equal what? First x, replace x by 2. We get, what we get? X in place of 2. We write it in this above polynomial p of x only. So 2 cube p of 2 equal 2 cube x equal to value substituting in this above polynomial, what we will get the answer. X in place of 2 we write it only. First 2 cube it is nothing but 2 is multiplied by 3 times, so that is 8 minus 3 into 2 square. 2 square it is nothing but 4. 3 4 ja 12 minus 10 2 ja 20 plus 24. Next, we can add the plus terms. What's the plus terms? 8 plus 24. 8 plus 24. What's the value? Sum of these two terms. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. 32. Next, these two terms. Minus 12, minus 20. That is also minus 32. Plus 32, minus 32. These two are cancelled only. So, what we will get the answer? P of 2 equal to 0. Okay. So, if the remainder is equal to 0, is it a factor of p of x or not? Yes, is it a factor only? X minus 2 is a factor of p of x only. Why? Because here it is the remainder equal to 0 only. If remainder not equal to 0, it is not a factor of P of x only. So this is the x minus 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of P of x. Okay, one by one factors, check it only. All are factors. Next, second factor. What's the x? If x plus 3 is a factor of P of x, then we have P of minus 3. Okay, x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to, what's the x value? X equal to, before plus 3, after equal it becomes to the minus 3 only. So P of minus 3. If x plus 3 is a factor of P of x, then P of minus 3 equal, is it equal to, what's the value? So x in place of, you will write it the minus 3 only. So x cube in place of minus 3 whole cube. Minus 3 into x square, it is nothing but minus 3 whole square, minus 10 into x is nothing but minus 3 plus 24. Yeah, minus 3 whole cube, it is nothing but minus 3 into minus 3. How many times are multiplied here? It is 3 times. Why? Because here it is the whole cube only. So 3 into 3, 9 into 3 is 27. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So minus 27. Next, minus 3 whole square, removing the brackets only. So minus 3 into minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square, it is nothing but 3 square, 9 only. Plus 9. Plus 9 into minus 3. (27). Plus into minus is minus. Okay. Minus 3 into 9 equal to minus 27. Next, plus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So 10 into 3 is 30 plus 24. Next, yeah, sum of these two terms, minus 27, minus 27. Sum of these two terms, what value we will get it only? 7 plus 7 is 14. Next, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 54 minus 54 plus 30 plus 24. Sum of these two, that one is, what's the value? Plus 54. So minus 54 plus 54. Both are, is it cancel? We will get the, what's the value? We will get it? 0 value. So is it a factor or not? X plus 3 is a factor of P of x or not? Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai.
Yes.
Yes, why? Because here it is the what's the remainder equal to 0. So that's why. Therefore, x plus 3 is a factor of P of x. Yeah, next, third factor. What's the third factor? X minus 4. X minus 4 is a factor of P of x. Then we have P of 4. What's the value? Here it is x minus 4 equal to 0. It is nothing but x equal to, before minus 4, after equal it becomes to the plus 4 only. So what's the x in place of? What's the value substituting? 4 value. What we will get? The remainder. We will find out that one only. So P of 4. substituting x value x equal to 4, substituting in this above polynomial p of x. So what's the polynomial? X cube. X cube, it is nothing but 4 cube. Next 3 into x square. X square, it is nothing but 4 square minus 10 into x. X is nothing but 4 plus 24. So 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 is multiplied by 3 times. How many times is multiplied here? It is 3 times only. So 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. Okay.
Yes.
Removing the brackets. 3 into 4 square. 4 square, it is nothing but 16. 16 into 3 is 16 3 is 48. Next 10 into 4 is 40. 10 4 is 40. Okay. Are you clear? Are you understood? 64 plus 24. What's the value? 88. Next minus 48 minus 40. It is nothing but 88. So both numbers is the same, plus 88 minus 88. So both are is it cancel. So what we will get the answer? 0. So is it a factor or not? P of 4. P of 4, it is nothing but x minus 4 is a factor of P of x or not? Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because here it is the remainder equals 0. So therefore x minus 4 is a factor of P of x. Yeah, this problem is very simple problem. Okay. So that these all is the factors of P of x. P of x or not? These 3 factors, Gagan Sai? Yes, these 3 all are the factors is satisfied only. All are the factors of P of x. So this problem solution is over, and next we will go to the 4th problem. Yeah, 4th problem is, yeah, this is also same only. So that is the homework problem. Same as the 4th problem is same as previous problem model. So that's why this problem is leave it, and next we will go to the 5th problem. Yeah, first I will read the problem in our textbook. Be carefully listen better. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p equal r. Very simple problems. Those are very simple problems, Gagan Sai. Be carefully listen better neatly. Yeah. What is given, what is asked? One polynomial is given and 2 factors. These 2 factors of p of x is a p of x or not? Show that p equal to r. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in our given problem. What is given, what is asked. Very simple problems. These all are the same models. Given equal to one polynomial is give. What is the polynomial? P of x or f of x? What's the polynomial? Px square plus 5x plus r. Next, 2 factors is give. What's the 2 factors? X minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 or factors of
P of x.
P of x. Then to find is, show that. To find, show that P equal R. Prove this one only. Okay. If these 2 are factors of P of x, then prove this one. Show that P equal R. Let the solution for this problem. Yeah. First let P of x is give. First P, what's the P of x? Px square plus 5x plus r is give. Yeah, 1 by 1. If x minus 2 is a factor of 1 by 1. Is it a factor of p of x or not? 1 by 1. We will calculate it. Yeah, x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. Then we have p of 2 equals, what's that? Replace x by 2. We get, what we will get it? X in place of, we will write it 2. What we will get the value? P of 2 value, how to calculate it? What's the p of 2 value is p x square, substitute the value in 2 square plus 5 into x, it is nothing but 2 plus r. Next, p into, removing the brackets, p into 2 square. 2 square it is nothing but 4. 4 into p is 4p plus 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. 10 plus r. This is the equation number 1. P of 2. What's the value of, what's the value we get it to? This value only. 4p plus 10 plus r. Okay, this is the equation 1. Next, another factor. What's the another factor? If x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of, both factors is give of p of x. So 1 by 1, how to calculate it only. So a factor of p of x. Then we have x minus 1 by 2 equal 0. So x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. It is nothing but x equal to, what's the value? 1 by 2 value. So x in place of p 1 by 2 value. What's the value? We get it. How to calculate that one? P of 1 by 2 equal, x in place of, we will write it that 1 by 2 only. So p into x square, it is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into x in place of 1 by 2 plus r. Yeah, p into, removing the brackets, 1 by 2 whole square. It is nothing but a by b whole square. A to the power of m by b to the power of m. So here it is the 1 square by 2 square. So 1 by 4. Are you clear? Next, 5 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 into 1 is 5 by 2 plus r. So take the LCM of these two only. P by 4, 5 by 2 plus r by 1. Take the LCM. I am doing the rough calculation here. It is, what's the LCM? What's the name? 1 comma 2 comma 4 LCM. What's the LCM? First we will find out the LCM. 2 table, 2 only. So 1 as it is, write it in your next row, and 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. And next is 2 table. 1 1 is as it is, write it in your next row, and then again is the 2 1 ja 1. So what's the LCM? LCM equal 4. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, here it is that 4. Take the LCM equal to 4, and next p as it is, write it. Why? Because here it is the both are the denominators is same, so that's why numerator as it is, write it in our same as it is, write it. And next fraction is here it is it equivalent denominators? No, it is not equivalent denominators. First we converting into the equivalent denominators. Yeah, what's the number is multiplied by 2? We will get this one 2 only. So numerator is also same value. And next third fraction is not equivalent the denominator. So first you are converting into the equivalent denominators. So 1 is multiplied by 4 and numerator is also multiplied by 4 only. So next here plus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 4r. Equal to 0. If P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. This is also P of 2 equal to 0 only. So that's why P plus 10 plus 4 are equal to 0. This all are the equal to 0. So this is the equation number 2 only. This is the what's the value? This is the P of 1 by 2 value. Okay. Yeah, this is nothing but g of x only. G of x equal to 0. The 0 of the linear polynomial is a factor of P of x, then only. So g of x equal to 0 only. So this is the equation number 2. And from equation 192. 192. What we will get? What's the 4p? First equation is 4p plus 10 plus r equal to. Second one is p plus 10 plus 4r. Okay. Here it is the what's the plus 10 minus 10. Both are is it cancelled. Next 4p. Here after equal. Plus p, before equal it becomes to the minus p. Here these two are is the like terms. Okay. Next, here it is the 4r. Here it is the before equal plus r. After equal it becomes to the minus r. So 4p minus p, it is nothing but 3p only. 4r minus r, it is nothing but 3r. So both side is 3 is there. So both side is 3 is cancelled. What's the p equal r? Show that is it what's the to find is show that p equal r. Is it proved? Yes, is it proved only. So p equal r. So our solution is correct or not?
Correct.
Yes, is our solution is correct only. Okay, are you clear Gagan sir in Italy?
Yes.
This is nothing but P of 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is also 0 and this is also 0. Yeah, this is our solution is over and fifth problem solution is over, and next we will go to the sixth problem. Sixth problem. First, let's see the problem in our textbook only. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax to the power of 4 plus bx to the power of q plus cx square plus dx plus e, then show that a plus c plus e equal b plus d equal to 0. Yeah, what is given, what is asked in this given question. First I will explaining this one only. First one polynomial is given. This is the polynomial is given. Yeah, what is given? Yeah, this is the factor. Is it a factor of this one, f of x or p of x only? Then show that of this is show that both are is it equal to 0. Okay, a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. Show that. Proved only. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. Here this is a very simple problem. These all are is the simple problems in this exercise Gagan Sai. Yeah, this is also previous problem model. Like this previous problem model, very simple problems. What is given? One polynomial is given, that is the p of x equal to ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is given. Next, what is given? One factor is given, that one is the if x square minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then to find is show that So that is what is proved here. It is the a plus, this is so that is short form is s dot t. So a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. These two terms is equal to 0 or not. To calculate this one only. Okay. Yeah, first one, let the solution for this problem. Yeah, be carefully, listen better neatly. Let p of x equal to ax to the power of 4 plus b x cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Okay. Next, yeah, one factor is given. That one is it a factor of p of x? Then we have to calculate the values. Yeah, first, if x square minus 1 is a factor of p of x, okay, then we have x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0, it is nothing but this is in the form of a square minus b square. Once here it can be written as 1 square only. Okay, both are is it 1 square and one is both are is it equal? Yes, it is equal only. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, what's the formula of the a square minus b square? Since by using the a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We already know this identity is a very important identity only. Okay, are you know this one? Yeah, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So what's the factors? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b, here it is the a in place of x and b in place of 1 only. So a plus b, it is nothing but x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah, this is nothing but g of x. Okay, g of x equal to this one. This is a linear polynomial. Okay, of x, then we have to calculate the 1 by 1. Okay, if x plus 1, is it a factor of p of x or not? X plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Then we have p of minus 1. Okay, what's the value? You get it. X equal to minus 1, substitute in the p of x, in the polynomial p of x. Okay, what we will get it? We get p of minus 1 equal x in place of minus 1. Substitute. Here it is a into x to the power of 4. It is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 4 plus b into x cube. X cube, it is nothing but minus 1 whole cube plus c x square. C x square, it is nothing but minus 1 square plus d into x, it is nothing but minus 1 plus d. Okay. Yeah. A into, removing the brackets, minus 1 all to the power of 4. 4 it is nothing, power it is nothing but even or odd? Even. So that's why here it is the sign is positive sign. Minus 1 is multiplied by how many times? 4 times. So here it is the plus 1 to the power of 4, it is nothing but 1 only. So 1 into a is a. Okay, are you clear? Here it is the power is odd number. So that's why here it is the sign is minus only. Minus into b is minus b. Are you clear? minus whole to the power of cube, it is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So minus b. Okay, are you clear? Next, plus, here it is the minus 1 whole square. It is nothing but minus into minus is plus only. So that's why 1 square, it is nothing but 1. So 1 into c is c. Plus into minus is minus. D into 1 is d. Plus. Yeah, this is the equation number 1. That is nothing but p minus 1. Okay. Next, another factor. What's the another one? X minus 1. X plus 1. This value, you get it on. And next, another one is x minus 1. Is a factor of p of x. Then, okay, what we will get it? Value. So, p of 1 equal, p of 1 equal x in place of 1 value. Substituting in this p of x. So, p of x a into x to the power of 4. It is nothing but 1 to the power of 4 plus b into x to the power of cube. It is nothing but 1 cube plus c into x square. It is nothing but 1 square plus d into 1 plus e. Next, a into 1 to the power of 4 is the power is 4 only. So that's why even number. So plus only. A into 1 is a. Next, plus b into 1 cube, it is nothing but 1. So 1 into b is b. Plus c into 1 square. Removing the bracket. C into 1 square, it is nothing but 1. 1 into c is c. Plus d into e. Yeah, this is the p of 1 equal to this one only, this value. So this is the equation number 2. From equation number 192. So first, what's the equation? P of minus 1. Okay, from equation 192 only. So first from equation 1, what's the equation 1? This one only. And again one more step also, you write it here. It is, what's the a plus c plus terms only. First you write it the plus terms. A plus c plus e equal to minus terms. After equal, it minus terms only. Minus b minus d. After equal, it becomes to the plus equal to b plus d only. Okay, this is the equation number 1. These are both are is it equal only. Okay. Yeah, equation 1 value is substituting in this the equation 2. Yeah, that is nothing but equation 1. It is nothing but a plus c plus e. Value. This is the equation 1. Substitute. Substitute in equation 2. What we will get it? Here it is the equation 2. What's the equation 2 is? A plus b plus c plus d plus e equal to 0. And next, a plus c plus e value, you got it. What's the value? B plus d value. Okay. A plus c plus d. One more step, a plus c plus e plus b plus d equal to 0. Yeah, both are is it equal? Yes, is it equal only. So this value got it only. What's the value? We know that is the equation number. From equation number, that the value is called b plus d value. So this is also b plus d. So equal to 0. B plus d it is nothing but 2b plus d equal to 0. B plus d equal to 0. Okay, are you clear? A plus c equal and b plus d equal to, is it equal to 0? Yes, is it equal to 0 only. So therefore a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. Yes, is equal to 0 only. So it is proved only. Our solution is correct only. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, next we will go to the another one only. 7th bit.